if you're looking for chaniya cholis, if તમને dupattas જોઈતા હોય, some beautiful hand painted dupattas and sarees, if you're looking for blouses, kids માટે options જોઈતું હોય, boys માટે કુર્તા છે, girls માટે ચણિયા ચોલી છે, and of course some beautiful statement jewelry, then this is the exhibition to come to. We are at Rangtali 25 જે reflection and reflection 2.0 બંનેમાં થઈ રહ્યું છે. It's only a 2-day show curated by Arohi Events, 20th and 21st of September. Collection જોવો હોય તો swipe left. This brand is called Arohi Gems and Jewels.
This is all tribal Afghani, small chokers, long neck pieces, some statement Afghani, all tribal jewelry with kadas. This is all silver look like.
Okay, silver look-alike.
Long pieces in statement. Then these are only earrings. Some colorful silver look like jewelry in gold and dual tone polish. Chand balis, tribal earrings and silver look like earrings.
They also have some tableware, silverware more options છે એમની પાસે. Moving on, they have some new pieces that they've come up with.
Then this is all, these are waist belts. This is all tribal Afghani. This is a fusion collection. We have kids bangles, a lot of collection in kids bangles. Then we have these bracelets, wedding collection, wedding bangles and all. Some fusion and
The brand Poplin Dreams has come here with their kids collection. Okay, so chaniya choli options like these, બહુ જ cute collection છે એમની પાસે. Ages શું હશે?
Ages 0 to 10.
0 to 10. Okay.
So like we are offering discount right now.
Okay, અને discounts શું છે?
20%
Okay, 20% on the entire
on
collection.
the
Okay. All right. So after discount આશરે pieces કેટલામાં
So like
થશે?
બધા age wise છે.
Okay.
So like 2000 થી 4000 સુધીના છે sets.
Okay. Boys માટે કુર્તાઝમાં બી options છે again 2 to 10 years.
કુર્તાઝમાં 10% off છે.
કુર્તાઝમાં 10% off છે. Okay. They have options over here as well, like these. Okay. અને અહીંયા પણ અમુક ચણિયા ચોલી options છે એમની પાસે for teen girls. Blouses can be customized? No.
Yeah.
Okay. This brand is called Chabuk and they have some beautiful hand-painted chaniya cholis.
Every
like
chaniya
these.
has a different motif, like this one. Then we have some reversible chaniyas.
Reversible chaniyas.
Then those who like the simple one, we have something with patches. It comes with customized blouse option.
Okay.
Then
Blouse can be
something
customized.
by-
Blouse piece આવે છે એમાં.
Then
Okay.
in this we have this collections. Then
And they also
we
have some ready
blouses.
blouses like
And
these and dupattas.
Any of the blouse from the below rack is flat 1000.
So this brand is called Savri by Ami. Okay. They have
Yes.
chaniya cholis like these.
Totally new collection
Okay.
because all are sold out. So totally new collection.
Okay.
And in Siddhi series, some dark colors.
Dark colors છે. This series is called the Siddhi series.
Yes. Some more colors.
So this brand is called Two Sisters. Hello. So chaniya cholis like these. આખા sets છે.
સેટ્સમાં છે.
Okay.
પછી ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ બોટમ્સ પણ છે.
Okay. Only chaniya જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે. Okay. And they also have lots of blouses to choose from. We'll take a look at the blouses as well. Okay. Blouses like these. Okay. This brand is Pure Soul by Ruchi. We'll take a look at their chaniya cholis. So options like these. Okay. Something in monotone. Something with work done. Okay. અને only blouses જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે like these. And they have lots of dupattas to choose from as well.
10% off.
This is Artistry Smart Look Boutique. Okay.
આજે મારી પાસે ચણિયા ચોળીનું કલેક્શન છે નવરાત્રીના. એમાં થોડા આવા પ્રિન્ટેડ પટ્ટાવાળા છે. પછી પ્રિન્ટેડ દુપટ્ટા છે મારી પાસે જેમાં લંબી સાથેના ચણિયા ચોળીનું કોમ્બિનેશન છે. પછી આવી રીતે મલાઈ ચંદેરીનો દુપટ્ટો છે અને એમાં તોઈનું ને એનું કામ છે અને સ્લીવમાં આવી રીતે ટીકીનું વર્ક છે. Then we have this kind of ડિફરન્ટ ચણિયા ચોલી જે તમે વેડિંગમાં બી પહેરી શકો છો અને નવરાત્રીમાં બી પહેરી શકો છો.
And they also have some dupatta options and a badda blouse options. This brand is called Adhya the Label.
Hello, my name is Maitri. Good morning. So today I have few separate blouse options.
Okay.
Like such, I also have options in halterneck.
Yeah.
Apart from that, this is one of a kind
One
one
shoulder.
blouse. Then I also have few options in Leria dupattas.
Okay.
If you're looking for full sets, I also have options.
This brand is called House of Samskara. Okay, and they have some beautiful hand painted dupattas and ghagras as well. We'll take a look at more options.
Some festive collection
Festive collection.
like Navratri collection, hand painted, mirror work, hand painted dupattas,
Hand painted dupattas like these. Okay.
hand painted saris,
Hand painted saris
and some bananas.
and banarasi.
Balcony dupattas.
And bandhanis. This brand is called Naomi Couture. They have some chaniya choli options like these. Okay.
Yeah, Malma mali jasa, ekdam lightweight, then vibrant colors ho, then we have pastels,
Pastels.
something I have wearing,
Similar to what she's wearing. Okay.
then amari jode aa છે sleeve માં.
Okay. And they have lots of blouses. And this brand is Coco by Komal Farkiwala. Let's take a look at their chaniya cholis.
હેવીમાં પણ છે મારી પાસે જે તમે વેડિંગમાં કેરી કરી શકો.
Something in white.
સમથિંગ ઇન વ્હાઇટ, સમથિંગ ઇન બ્રાઉન જે મેં
Okay. Something bandhej style ma.
યસ.
Rani pink.
અને અગેન બીજો વ્હાઇટ. બ્લાઉઝીસમાં પણ વ્હાઇટ રેન્જ છે. દુપટ્ટામાં શિફોનથી લઈને હેવી.
Okay. White થી લઈને heavy dupattas માં બી options છે. Something
Yes.
with vintage work. Okay. This brand is 1111 by PB. Okay. And let's see એમના collection માં શું છે.
So we have menswear, which
Okay.
are on flat discounts.
Menswear at discounts. Okay. So menswear માં collection છે. And women માટે what do you have?
We have chaniya cholis, which are also on offers.
Okay.
So this is like the whole set is for 6,500.
This is for 6,500. This is for 8,000. All right. This